Howdy, everybody. I'm Hand-Drawn Hank, and welcome to today's Quick Draw, where you suggest it and I draw it. Remember, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe below. I really appreciate it. Thanks! Today's drawing was suggested by Phoenix in Jacksonville, Florida. This drawing is for you, Phoenix, and thanks for the suggestion. Okay, everybody, let's get started on this here mermaid. First things first, let's draw those eyes. 1 and 2. All right, so far, so good. Now let's put in the insides of those eyes. 1, 2. All right. Let's go ahead and finish off drawing that face. Let's put her cheeks in. So one nice big round cheek over here on the side. 1. Good. And 2. I like it. Let's put her neck down here. 1, 2. Okay. How about a little nose? And a smiley face. Okie dokie. Don't forget her ears. Okay, now let's draw her hair. Start over here on the side. Draw a little curvy line. That's perfect. And then just go up and down 2 times. 1, 2. Now bring it on over. Woo. Cool. And let's connect that with a curve. Woo. I like it. Come on up. 1 and another one. Curve down, curve up. Cool. Now let's give her some eyelids. And how about some eyelashes? 1, 2, 3. So far, so good. Now put a little ponytail. Whoop, and draw her hair just floating in the water. Floating in the water. Yeah, good. Just little squiggly lines floating in the water. All right. Now let's draw her shirt. Easy peasy. Just draw a little circle. All right. Now we'll just draw her shoulder strap. Whoop, whoop. All right. And now you just finish off the shirt. Whee! There you go. Now you drew the shirt. Now I like to imagine that she found a bunch of pearls on the bottom of the ocean and made a necklace. So let's do that. Whoop, doop, 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 doop. Now she has a necklace. Cool. Now let's draw her arms. Whee! Whoop. There's the top of her shoulder. Now the bottom of her arm. Whee! Whoop. Good. Now how about her fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And now her other arm. 1, 2. 1, 2. And her 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And draw some lines to show her palm. Now let's pretend she's saying, hi, everybody. And let's draw some lines. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Now she's waving hi. Now let's just draw that tail. 1 swoopy line. Swoop. Good. Another swoopy line. Swoop. Excellent. And the fins on the bottom. 1, 2. Whoop, whoop. 1, 2. Whoop, whoop. Look at that. Now, just draw some fish scales. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. And over here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. And because she's underwater, how about we draw a couple bubbles? Just draw a circle. Whoop, and 2 little lines. Boop, boop. You can make as many bubbles as you want. I'm going to make 3. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. All right. And just like that, you guys have drawn yourself an amazing little mermaid. Good job. Remember, if you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe. And this has been Hand Drawn Hank.